Starting your day with the right movements can change the way your body feels and performs. You don't need a long routine or complex exercises to unlock your energy and mobility. Just a few focused stretches can make a real difference, especially if you train regularly or spend a lot of time sitting. These 5 stretches were carefully selected to activate key muscles, improve posture, and support your workouts. Whether your goal is to build muscle, stay pain-free, or simply feel better moving through your day. They're simple, effective, and fit easily into any fitness routine. Ever feel that stiffness in your hips or that nagging tightness in your spine after sitting for hours? You're not alone. The body was built for motion, and the deep squat with rotation is like hitting the reset button. This move targets the hips and spine in a way that feels like you're unlocking your own body. Anyone into sports, fitness, or consistent training should make this a morning ritual. Best part? No fancy equipment, just focus and presence. Now picture someone sitting all day, then trying to dive into a full workout with tight muscles. Not a smart move, right? Adding the deep squat with rotation before training primes the joints for heavier loads and instantly improves posture. It's like warming up the engine before stepping on the gas. This stretch supports major lifts in the gym, especially squats, and helps those aiming to lose weight train smarter, not harder, reducing the risk of injury. Here's something practical. Stand with your feet slightly wider than your shoulders, lower into a deep squat, place one hand on the ground, and rotate the other arm upward toward the ceiling. Breathe. Switch sides. Done right. This unlocks the hips, lengthens the spine, and lays the foundation to build muscles, move better, and even enjoy something as simple as a morning walk. There's a special kind of energy that comes when you start your day by opening your chest, stretching your abs, and giving your spine some well-deserved space. The Cobra Press-Up invites you to wake up the front side of your body, the part that gets tight from phones, sofas, and office chairs. By doing this move daily, you lengthen the muscles in your core, chest, and hip flexors in a way that feels powerful and necessary. It's like plugging into a source of fuel before your workout, prepping your body for movement and alignment. But this stretch isn't just about flexibility. It's about relieving lower back tension, opening your breath, and supporting posture throughout your day. Anyone involved in fitness, whether chasing gains in bodybuilding or simply aiming to build muscles safely, should give some love to their anterior chain. Even if mobility is limited, there are gentler versions. Just rest on your forearms like a sphinx, lift your chest, and breathe deeply. It's the kind of subtle activation that sets the tone for the rest of your training. Here's how to do it. Lie on your stomach with your legs extended and palms flat on the floor, placed beside your chest. Press into your hands and slowly lift your upper body, keeping your hips grounded. Look slightly forward, open the chest, and relax your shoulders away from your ears. You'll feel a deep stretch in your front body muscles, especially in the abs and hips. Breathe, hold, and repeat. This movement gets the blood flowing, primes the body, and creates the perfect start to any sports or gym session. A lot of people train hard, invest time in the gym, stick to diets to lose weight, and even chase bodybuilding goals, but forget to activate the muscles that truly support them, the glutes and spine. The bridge and reach over fixes that quiet mistake. It wakes up your body's foundation and improves posture almost instantly. And the best part? You feel that unmistakable pump in your glutes, a clear sign you're building stability in those big muscles where it really matters. This move is a bridge, literally, between a sedentary life and real performance. As you lift your hips and reach one arm across, you engage deep muscle chains that are vital for any kind of training. It works for beginners in fitness and equally well for seasoned athletes looking to grow muscle with long-term awareness. And here's a fun fact. A lot of lower back pain disappears once the glutes start firing properly. It's a kind of physical reset that you can feel almost immediately. To practice it, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Then, raise one arm and reach diagonally across your body as if trying to touch the floor beside your opposite shoulder. This creates a gentle twist that activates the upper spine while keeping your glutes firing. Hold for a few seconds, then switch sides. It's one of the simplest, most effective ways to prime your body for the day or your next workout. In a world where so many people spend hours sitting, the body starts to close off, literally. The lunge with twist is like opening your body's windows and letting fresh air flow in. It loosens up tight hips, activates the core muscles, and brings mobility back to the spine in a fluid, functional way. Anyone into fitness, aiming to grow muscle or living the sports lifestyle, needs a body that moves well. And this move is one of the keys. It boosts energy, balance, and body awareness all at once. Make no mistake, this isn't just a stretch. It's a controlled dance between strength and flexibility. The lunge itself fires up your glutes and leg muscles. The twist engages your torso and improves spinal rotation. It's perfect for anyone feeling stiff after long hours at a desk or those looking to level up their workout performance. In fact, high-level athletes often use this move to prep before lifting weights or playing high-impact sports. It's the kind of move that quietly unlocks your potential. Want to try it? Step one leg forward into a lunge, lowering until your back knee nearly touches the floor. Keep your torso upright and bring your hands together in front of your chest. Then, rotate your torso toward your front leg, feeling the stretch through your hips and spine. Hold for a few seconds, then return and repeat on the other side. It's a full-body warm-up that enhances balance and primes your nervous system for real training. In a world that moves too fast, both body and mind eventually beg for a reset, and Child's Pose offers exactly that. This stretch feels like an internal hug. It decompresses the spine, opens the hips, and creates space for deep breathing. It's perfect for anyone living at full speed, whether at the gym, grinding at work, or immersed in intense fitness and training routines. It brings you back to your center and helps restore mental clarity and calm. Don't underestimate this pose just because it looks simple. Resting your forehead on the floor while allowing your muscles to release activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the one that tells your body, "You're safe, you can rest." This helps regulate stress, improve recovery, and even optimize the build muscles process, since the body grows stronger in balance. Many bodybuilding athletes and seasoned lifters use this pose to reset both mind and body after tough sessions. To do it properly, kneel on the floor with your big toes touching and knees spread apart. Sit your hips back onto your heels, then stretch your arms forward and rest your forehead on the ground. Let your shoulders relax, breathe deeply, and stay there for 30 seconds to a minute. This strategic pause helps your body absorb everything from your workout and sets you up to move through the day with greater focus, control, and energy. Now it's your turn. Try these 5 stretches tomorrow morning and see how your body responds. Which one feels best for you? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. And if this helped you, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. There's more to come to keep your training, fitness, and recovery on point.